How to remove search history on TikTok. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove search history on TikTok. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines from the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Activity Center, then tap on Watch History. Tap on Select from the top right corner, select the videos, tap on Select All Watch History, and then tap on Delete. Confirm by tapping on Delete. Now go back and tap on Search History. Tap on Select from the top right corner, then tap on Select All Search History and tap on Delete All. Confirm by tapping on Delete. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.